Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in again. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you know every time I post a video. So today's video is clearly about the LUS brand, as you can see by the title, and my hair is in need of a wash, and so I'm going to be using their products. So these are the products that I'm going to be using. I'm so excited. So the main thing about this brand that is actually really interesting is that they came out with 3 products to complete your whole wash day. So they have one as a shampoo, step 2 is a conditioner, and step 3, which is the interesting part, is an all-in-one product. So what this all-in-one product does is it basically repairs your hair, hydrates your hair, and styles your hair. So you basically replace this with all your styling products, with all your leave-in conditioners, and all of that stuff. So you're just using one product. One product, like, I don't even know. One product though. One product to finish your whole wash day as soon as you come out the shower, and it just simplifies everything. So I'm going to be testing it out today and doing a whole review on it. The one I have here is the Kinky-Coily one. There's also a wavy one and a curly one. This is made with shea butter and meringue oil, and it actually says on the back that this product is activated by water, and it's bolded and highlighted so that you know that you have to have your hair soaking wet when you use this product or else it won't really work. So this was custom formulated, and it's supposed to be really lightweight but moisturizing at the same time, and it's supposed to act as a curl activator. So I'm hoping that I could actually replace this with all of my Eco Styler gels, all my leave-in conditioner, because for me, every time I come out the shower, I'm using a bunch of different products, mixing it together and putting it on my hair. But if I could just use one product, you know how easy that would make my life? Like, it would actually make my life really easy. So I'm hoping this works out. And one thing I do have to say though, even if the product doesn't work out, this brand, I love what it stands for. Their whole message to everybody is to love your curls, as you can see on the bottle. Even on the back it says love your curls, love yourself. And I think that's a really powerful message, especially in today's day and age where everybody is comparing. Everybody's comparing hair, everybody's comparing curls, everybody's comparing style, everybody's comparing bodies. It's just so much comparison, and I feel like it's really cool that they incorporated it into their products and into their whole brand to love yourself and to love your curls. It's a really deep message, because sometimes you can be looking on Instagram, seeing people's curls and be like, oh, my curls aren't even that great. But you know what? You should accept your curls, you should love your curls, celebrate what you got, because only your 2 parents gave you that. You are special and unique in your own way. And I just think that's a really good message, and I say bravo for just incorporating that into their products. So it's not just a hair care product, it has a message behind it. Now, in all of their products, they actually have on the side basically what their products do not contain. So they actually are free of sulfates, silicones, parabens, paraffin, phthalates, which I don't know how to pronounce, propylene, mineral oil, gluten, synthetic dyes, and all that jazz. So it's really free of a lot of the harmful ingredients that our products are usually containing. I'm very interested to see how this is going to work out for my hair specifically, because it says it's lightweight, but for my hair I usually need something a little bit heavier in order for, you know, my curls to really hang on there and not get frizzy. So we'll see how this works out. I do realize that this has a pump, and it sounds pretty light, like liquidy. So yeah, we're gonna see how this works. It does say on the bottle that a little goes a long way, so I'm gonna see if that's actually a fact and if it's true. I'm probably gonna apply these right in the shower, because I want to make sure that my hair is fully soaked and that I'm using this product to its max that it can be used. I'm actually going to leave all of the information about these products and the brand, the website, etc. in the description box, so if you guys do want more information, check it down below. So let's get straight into the video and start using these products. So I'm starting off in the shower, and I highly recommend this. You just soak your hair and then you go in with the shampoo. I highly recommend you do this in the shower. That way you'll be making sure that your hair is always soaked at all times and that you're gonna get the full max benefits of these water activated products. Then I go in with the conditioner, and let me just say, all these products smell so good and is really creamy and thick in texture. You're gonna wait for about 5 minutes just to let the conditioner soak in and do its thing. Now we're getting to the good stuff. You're going to rinse off your hair, make sure it's fully soaked, and you're going to go in with the styling / repair / leave-in conditioner, the all-in-one product. Make sure that once you're done one side of your hair, that you re-wet the other side. Don't underestimate how fast your hair will soak up water and how fast it will start drying. Especially for me, that's what happens all the time, so I made sure to re-wet it before I applied the product. Because the texture was a really thick, white, creamy texture, and it was going on very white, I was so sure it was going to leave a residue. But what I did notice is that I give it a minute or so and it soaked right into my hair. And once it actually dried, as you'll see later on, it actually left no residue whatsoever, no flakes, nothing. As you can see, it's really activating my curls. There's major definition. You can't really see any frizz here at all. It looks really defined, and honestly, it just looks flawless right now. So these are the results. As you can tell, my hair is defined and it is looking pretty good. There's a lot of volume to it, and this is just the first day hair, so I really like that. And it does leave my hair really soft and really moisturized. I think this is a pretty good style. I love how it was just one product that made my whole routine just so much easier. The only thing that I did realize is that my hair has a lot of frizz usually, and so I use products that usually are heavy and actually control and tame the frizz. I like a little bit of frizz, but only when it's like second or third day hair. Sorry. Oh gosh, my voice! But then again, they want you to love your curls, so I should love my frizz as well. So whatever, it is what it is. This product was super lightweight. It literally felt like it was just a leave-in conditioner. So when I was blow drying my hair, I'm like, this is super weird. There's like no hold to it, no crunch, no heavy product. It literally feels like I'm blow drying a leave-in conditioner, which actually is really weird. The products actually smell like flowers of some sort. It smells so good. I don't know. It smells like a kind of body spray / flower type of vibe. So I really like that. This pump right here literally would not work at all. I tried so many times. I even tried it when I was out of the shower. Like, it just won't work. And first you unlock it and pump, but it will just pump forever. And I'm not too sure, maybe mine was defected or what, but they really need to improve the pumps. They put a pump on these ones, but on the other bottles, they have this type of, I don't know if you guys can see. This is closed, this is lifted up, and this is where the product comes out. So I find it pretty cool. It's kind of like a new invention, and I wish they would have put it on this bottle too, just because I kind of like this. It's so much easier. It closes really easy, and I would rather just go like that and distribute throughout my hair. But if they could get the pump working, I would be all for a pump as well. I just thought it was pretty cool how they invented this kind of thing. I felt like it was a little bit too much product that I put in, maybe because the pump, so I overestimated how much I was putting in my hair, because they did say a little goes a long way. So it took a while for it to dry. The one thing I'm super worried about is if this will last for a whole week. I don't know, it's like really soft and it doesn't have kind of that crunch or that hold type feel, so it makes me worried to, you know, play with it and see if it'll even last, but hopefully it does. So because this is so lightweight and because it just feels like a leave-in conditioner is in my hair, not really a styling cream, not really a gel, like it doesn't feel like anything but a leave-in conditioner. And even right now, like, there's frizz and it's volumized, so I'm wondering what my 4th day hair is gonna look like. But honestly, I love the volume. I love how it, you know, gives me all my poof. What I also did that I didn't show on camera was right after I came out the shower, I just took a spray bottle like this. And I just sprayed my hair with all the product in just to make sure the curls are activated, and it definitely did activate my curls. It did clump my curls, and it did give me good definition, so I like that about it. So overall, I really do like the results. I'm a little bit hesitant about it lasting a week, but we'll see how that goes, and it's not all that big of a deal because I could just refresh my curls afterwards. But you know, it feels really soft. I have a lot of volume, which I love. So thanks for tuning in today. I hope this review helped you out a little bit. Be sure to check out all the products down in my description box and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye!